Up, everyone? Middle of the night, so thought to play some Bug Snacks. Alphabet Mafia Cuisine Episode 2 is here. Let me know in the comment section if I should make it like an hour long. Because I prefer doing my videos in like 30-minute time frames. But I don't want to care.
Oh, wow. Huh. You know, it's
mine,
it's
actually.
yours? Well, well, if you don't...
Well, I gotta say one thing. Why the fuck do I not have a bed sheet? Just store in a chest and have that chest like bolted down somewhere. I am red. Whatever that's supposed to mean anything. I mean, you have a colorful cast of Muppets who happen to be gay. There's nothing more funner. Alright. Do I need to re-interview you?
Howdy, strange. See, nobody's... I think I might be able to guard. Well, I've seen all I need to start...
Roots and fruits. Ah, shit. Where's my journal? There we are. Bunger. Look at that. The fucking calories. Holy shit. He's atrocious. Those are blurry. Right. That away. I like. Oh, I press escape.
Find the other grumpuses. Find the other grump...
Oh, okay.
I'll see ya.
Sorry. I like to, as I would actually call it, click spam. Okay, let's see. That bridge is still up. She's in the way. Sometimes rain.
Snacksburg is inhabited again. A surprising discovery.
Oh, cool.
Despite your lack of any and all useful skills, I require your assistance.
Bitch. Who the fuck do you think you are? You lack useful skills. Bitch, I have skills that you fucking need. I go out, I make observations, and I try to, like, find conclusions. I'll break those fucking pair of sunglasses over
Meritless question. Now, my experiments were halted with the unfortunate disappearance of Egabel. Since the settlement's dissolution, finding new subjects has... A bitter silence. You... Under... This... Feed me... Yum, yum, yum. Intriguing. Very good. I look for...
Crazy maniacal bitch. I just have to put my mouse over it. So, fuck off, you bitch. Yeah. Oh, I can use the mouse wheel.
Wiggle, your song's nice and all.
Sorry.
Well, like,
Of course, singing.
no, so no. Oh. Who are you? If you're looking...
Oh no, I don't want your
Well, it's a
snacks.
relief. Sorry to be short with you. I haven't slept much lately.
No shit.
I'm Gramble Giggle Funny. I'm an aspiring bug snacks breeder. I'm not too keen on going to town. Trouble is, if you want to help.
Probably could put this way. How do I put it away again? Oh.
See that Strabby? That there's Sprout. I've been training him to follow my pointer in his buggy ball.
Mm-hmm.
We were in the middle of training. See if you can guide Sprout back here to us.
Have a ball. Yay. Scrabble. Oh, wait, no. Over there, Scrabble. Come here, little guy. Here you go, bud.
He likes Sprout loves. Anyway, please find.
Cool. Let me put up my camera. Oh, look, a seashell. Ah, shit. No. Chocolate and peanut butter. Gravel. People cap, as they say. Yeah. Can I collect these? Okay, they do nothing. Alright. Okay, cool. Sorry if I'm not talking much. I have a little bit of a tummy ache, alright? So, let me just see where you go. I'm assuming it's whatever opposite directions, so.
Hell, bug.
Don't be moody with me. I thought that said 5. No, I only need to go at 3. Okay. That's just a dumbass Queeble.
Healed up.
Yay. Alright, let's go and give him his good old heal bugs or whatever the fuck.
You
I
got
got
my,
your
but
bug
I
snakes
still
and
got. Lucky you got.
ramble without grabbing. There's a buggy ball. How the fuck do I grapple? I fucking hate this, dude. Come here, you little shit. This is fucking impossible.
I still got 2 Queebles missing. Lucky you got Sprout to help out. Smother him in chocolate and those Queebles will follow it.
I am such an overcomplicating dumbass. So let me get more chocolate. Yummy, yummy chocolate. What? I don't have the net yet, so I don't care.
Joey, you're back. Oh, Grump, I missed you so much.
Okay, I know what the developers were going for, but it honestly looks like it is covered in shit. Yeah. But hey, the game is very fun. There's also holy shit. What the fuck is that? Fruit. This is pretty. Leaf block is evidence of a bug that. This is a bug that seems to appear at night, but not when it's raining. Cool. Don't look at me. Go. Yes. No, go over there. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. No, no, don't make out. Don't, motherfucker. It's a Queeble. It's a Queeble, my boy.
Ashley, you're back! Don't you ever leave me again!
Hello, Queeble.
You did it! Here goes. I'm ready to head back. I want you to sprout. I'll miss.
Okay, Game Mario's glitching out whenever it comes to getting shit back. Alright. Now let's just set up a You're a fucking bitch. I hope you remember that. Son. Fucking thing.
Grapple.
Alright, let's see. Telemoth. Roots and fruit. Okay, that roots and fruits is oddly cute, but I prefer the idea of root and fruitum. Piece of shit. What fucking root bug snack? Do you fucking mean root beer? Because I don't see any fucking roots.
Welcome back. Scan, but
Siska bug. Frieder.
Piece of shit. Like, bro, if I was living here, if I could be immune to bugs and nicks and... Right, no. Oh, yeah, right.
She's goodbye. She's goodbye.
No, I'm full. Yes, Emma? Right. My mother will be here shortly, so I just wanted to, my current inventory. No. Oh, there we are. Bug snack collection. There's a hot dog one. I never. Okay, there's never been one. I never took a picture of the strawberry ones. Holy shit. Alright. Yeah. Loves chocolate. Alright. Well, let's just do a whole bunch of bullshit for people that probably don't even like me. I mean, I am the new guy, so sure. That's... What the fuck is that thing? Holy shit. Come on, shit. Dumbass. What? Yes. Alright. Well, take a picture of one more and... What an incredibly rude fruit. Yeah, we are having you shut the fuck off. No, wait, hold on. Yeah, my goodness, so. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, a fruit and a root cap. That bugs that fucking whatever. I'm gonna have to take a picture of that sandwich subbub looking thing. Then I'll be done. Labor fall.
La la la.
There we go. The garden gravel. Oh, son of a bitch. So it has to be around here no matter what. Alright. Then ketchup. Let's go. Go. You know, this is how a journalist should be moving. Ready to walk, run, and sprint. Is that a... Where's the fucking hot dogs? No, not Snacksburg. Is there an unknown type of bug snack here? By unknown, I mean, why is it fucking impossible to look for it? There we go. I gotta return to Befka, but after I'm done with Befka, I'm going to go straight to the other dad.
OMG, not that I'm. Even if I do, you've got but enough about. I want you to use.
I'll be back, Befka. There we go. Now let's
Well,
just...
well, well.
Oh,
That's so.
oh yeah.
Then
I got my.
You best keep.
Oh,
Thank you.
Friday.
Yeah.
Finger. Woo. Friday. Cisco.
All right.
Holy shit. That is horrific.
whew.
Chilly tonight.
Well, I've
Alright, let's start the interviewing process. Mike, who are you, for the record?
Gramble Giggle Funny. I look after all the bug snacks in town and make sure they don't wander off.
That's good. Too bad you don't share them, because everyone needs them. Because they're the only source of food on the island. But hey, enough about that. Why did you come to Snacktooth Island?
I I heard Lizbert was gathering up some grumps to be part of her new family, and I thought I could really use one of those.
No shit. You don't have a family?
I did, but then they... Can we talk about something else?
It seems to be more emotional than literal, so I highly doubt death. Also, don't worry. For what I say during the interview process and critiquing you, I will edit that out personally. I know it's a pain, but hey. It's integrity, you know? What hard-working people value. Or people who grew up to not be a piece of shit. But what are your thoughts on the butt snacks of the island?
Well, they're just the cutest little things, aren't they? I don't understand how anybody could look into their googly little eyes and want to eat them.
If they're the only source of food on the island, then they need to eat them.
Well, they don't eat none of mine, and that's what counts.
Alright. Why did you leave town?
Without Liz to bring in snacks, everybody got mighty hungry. They done treated my barn like a grocery store.
Yeah, no shit.
Held them off for a while, but I should have known Wambus never quits.
People need food. Go ahead. What did Wampus do?
The next night, I woke up to him throwing my snacks into a sack. I panicked, and I let the rest go free. Broke my heart, but it's better than them getting eaten.
Are you a bug snack safe? Are your bug snack safe from Wiggle?
Maybe. Wiggles a lot, but she's got a good heart.
No shit.
If she really likes me, she'll learn to love bug snacks the way I do.
We need bug snacks, but hey. Any info on Lisbeth?
Lizbert? She'd bring me lots of new friends to take care of. Sometimes we'd work together. Sometimes she'd ask for one and I'd have to say goodbye.
Alright. What would... Sorry, in the middle of an interview, you play as a journalist. No, I'm almost done. I only got like 2 more questions.
I like to...
Alright?
Sometimes...
Alright? After I'm done talking about the guy. Which is just now.
Here. I don't know...
Alright, a clue, thank you. Alright, I'm done. Yeah, don't worry, I don't have a camera. I'm recording myself. But still, look. 30,000 calories. And that's just from like one of these burger things. But also for a pineapple, it's 45. Holy shit. How many calories? Okay, I know you're not too much of a doctor or a health specialist, but how many calories does a person need per day?
Not but a couple thousand.
So this is completely overboard.
But it's also game.
Fair enough, but still. I like to think they put in these numbers for fun, but holy hell. Also, hot dogs move like slugs in the game, so sorry about that. But hey, have a good night's sleep. You need it.
I do.
I know you do. Take the whole thing if you need it. Alright. Good night. Sorry about that. Expect there to be more input, but hey. You get what you get. You know, I've always been like that. Like, I've always been humble enough to always respect the thoughts and ideas of others. Alright. Favorite bug snack? Just a fucking god. Okay. Early grow. I am so stupid, but hey. I mean, if I am going to feed the characters bug snacks, then what I'm going to do is make sure I give them bug snacks that relate to their personalities. Another bunger over here. Bunger. 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 There. Oh, stupid shit. I love it. I love it. Mine. Perfect. Her favorite bug snack. Bunger. Bunger, bunger. I'm not gonna let that go. I'm forever gonna think bunger, 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 bunger. Let's eat. Alright. Puck nose.
Good answer. I know you're just doing this stuff for me, but if you Wambus X if you don't want to wait.
Okay. For viewers that may or may not like. Holy shit. It's literally that time right now, but I need to wait until 10 p.m. Alright.
Here's to a hard day's work.
I guess so. Then I got time. Then 2 hours, and then after that. What's journalism without a little bit, a small bit of stalking? Me personally, unless if I had a reason to, like. I mean, there is no reason to stalk people. Let's be honest. Fuck do I? Alright. Oh shit. I need to stop taking them if I don't need them. Shut the fuck up. Do I really want to talk to some bitch? No, I don't. Did I find anything important? No. No, whatever. Tomorrow morning, I'll give myself a nice, healthy dose of. Okay. See what the Wambus does. Oh, shit. This is home.
Yeah. Oh, Trip. I would hug.
Oh shit! I wonder if there is like a dialogue thing, or at least that'd be fun if they had like a little bit of a dialogue option. Or like if he immediately turned around and sees you and be like, "Hey, what the fuck are you doing here?"
Plus, see you around town.
All right, well. Cool. Well, that's about it. See ya.